Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to see how to create an online shop for our lawn care services using Shopify. Be sure to check the link in the description that will give you 3 days a free trial for Shopify, and also it will give you a $1 for 1 month deal. Without further ado, let's go. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to upload our services to Shopify. So we are going to go over here on the top left to products. We're going to click here on add product, and we're going to see a lot of blank spaces that we're going to fill with our product's information. So first we're going to put the title. I'm going to put uh, lawn mowing service. And what you're going to do is you're either going to use the built-in AI to create a description for your lawn mowing service, or you can go to your AI of preference. I'm just going to use ChatGPT because I have the description ready. I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. And now we have our description ready. So the second thing you want to do is you're going to go over to media and you're going to click to upload new. What this is going to do is it's going to give you the option to upload your own image to show on your service. I'm just going to choose one that I have ready here, and you see that it's going to appear right over here. Another thing that we can do is choose the category for our product. Usually Shopify is going to do this for you, but if you click here, you can see that you can choose a lot of different categories. Now the next thing we are going to do is first we are going to uncheck this inventory checkmark because we are not going to keep track of inventory for this. And what we are going to do is we're going to add different variants for our service. So we'll click here on add options like size or color. We're going to create a custom option and we're going to put here size. Then what we're going to do is we are going to add different values for our different type of lawn care service. For example, the amount of land that we're going to cover. For example, here we're going to put 500 square meters, and below it we are going to put one for 1000 square meters. Now you're going to click over here in done, and below it we are going to be able to price the different variants differently. For example, I'm going to put 500 pesos for the 500 square meters and 1000 pesos for the 1000 square meters. Once we finished adding our variants, here we can go over to the right and we're going to choose, for example, our product type. Here I'm going to put it's a service and I'm going to add it to my homepage collection. We can also add different tags to help our store. So I'm going to add, for example, lawn care and mowing services. Once we are done with that, we are going to go to the bottom, and here on the bottom right it's going to say save, and we are going to save our first product. Once we finished with our first product, we can go back here, and here on the top right we are going to add every product that our online store is going to have. So I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to upload all the products that I will have in my store. So now that we have all of our products uploaded, what we're going to do is we're going to download an application so that customers that visit our online store can book an appointment for our services. So we are going to go over here on the bottom left. We are going to click on add apps. We're going to click here on the bottom on Shopify App Store. Then we're going to search for a Pointly. Once we have searched that, we are going to click here on the first app, appointment booking app, and we're going to install it. Here we are going to click over here on install, and once it's installed, we are going to click here on next. And here what we're going to do is we're going to add our services to the app. So we are going to put our lawn mowing service as service. And like this, we have our first service uploaded to our app. So to finish uploading all of our services to the booking app, we're going to go over here on the left to services. We're going to click on, you see that here my lawn mowing service is already uploaded, and I'm going to click over here on the bottom right, on the top right, to add a new service. And you're just going to keep uploading our final products here. So once all of our services are uploaded, I'm going to show you guys how to manage and customize your online store. So we're going to go here on the left, and we're going to click here on online store. So once we are here, what we can do is we can change our theme for our store. You see here we have a couple free themes that Shopify provides us. I'm just going to stick with the default one, but you should know that if you click here on Visit Theme Store, you can browse for a lot of different themes that could fit your shop better. So once we have selected the theme for our store, we're going to click here on customize, and now you see that a couple of things appear. Now first things first, we have a couple of sections. You see these things that have a blue outline are called sections. Here on the top left you can see the name of the section, and if we click on it, here on the right, a lot of different settings are going to appear that we can use to customize a set section. For example, we have here how to change this color scheme. We can change to a lighter one, a darker one. You see that the text here is changing, and a lot of different things. For me, I'm just going to change the image of the section. Here I'm going to click on select image, and I'm going to put our lawn mowing care image for this section. Another thing you can do is, for example, I'm going to change what this text says. We are going to click on this section, and here on the right you can change what it displays. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my lawn care services. Now, if we want to add a new section, what we're going to do is we're going to go on the left here on the template, and we're going to click on the button here, add section. Here we can choose which section we're going to add. We can have a featured collection, featured product, or a collection list, and a couple more. Here I'm just going to choose a featured product, and you see here that on the bottom is going to appear a new section. I'm going to click it, and here on the right you can see that I can choose a product to be displayed on this section. Here I'm just going to choose, for example, my lawn mowing service, and you can see that it suddenly appears. I'm going to show you guys also, for example, if I want to change the color scheme, I can click here and change it to a dark color. Now if you go into the left, you can see that we can also add a section to our header and our footer if we so wanted. Here we can add a email sign up, custom widget, etc. Now let's say that I have added a section by mistake. I'm here to add, for example, a collection list, and I want to delete this section. The only thing I have to do is I'm going to go into the right here on the bottom, and I can click on remove section, and it is going to disappear. Another thing we can do for our online store is, you see here on the header, the name of our store is My Store. Now to change that, first we're going to save our changes here on the top right. Once our changes are saved, we're going to exit the online store, and we're going to go to home. Here we are going to click on name your store, and we're going to name our store. I'm just going to put lawn care services, and once that is done, we're going to click on done. So I'm going to click on name your store, and here we can change the name that displays there on the header of our online store. I'm just going to put, for example, lawn care services, and we're going to click on save, and our store name is going to change. Here I'm going to go back to our online store. I'm going to click on customize again, and you see that the name of my store has changed. So once we have finished customizing our online store, we're going to click on, first we're going to save our changes here on the top right, and then we're going to exit. And if we want to preview our online store, our website, we're going to click here on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. Here we can see our website, and if we scroll down, for example, now you see here that once we click on view full details, here is going to appear schedule your time. This will let you know that you have installed your application correctly for scheduling your services, and that customers can now schedule an appointment for your service. Now back in the Shopify's homepage, we can see here that we have a marketing and analytics section. Now guys, this section is very important because once our store is running, it's going to let us know which products are the most popular, how much profit we're making, and a lot of different things that are really going to help us thrive with our business. You see here that we have, for example, our total sales, we have sales by channel, average order value, total orders, and a lot of different things that are going to help us manage our business all from the same place. And lastly, if we go here on the left, we have a discounts section where we can create different discounts to post on social media for marketing or to gift to our friends. Here, if we click on add discount, amount of products, for example, we can see that we can create a customizable code, or we can just click here on generate random code, and Shopify is going to provide us with a random code. If we have a social media, we can put, for example, here a customized name. I'm just going to put, for example, lawn care 4000, and we can make that our code. Here we have also a lot of different things to customize the kind of code we want, the kind of discount. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage discount value, and I'm going to put, for example, a 10% discount. Here we can also choose which collection it's going to apply to. We can change the requirements, with the uses of the discount, and here we can set an end date to our discount. For example, it's going to last until let's say a week. So it started the so it starts at this date and it ends at this date. Here we're going to click on the bottom right to save discount. Once we're ready, we are going to click here on the bottom right to save discount. And that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial on Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month only time deal. Be sure to hit the like button, click the bell, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.